Hi there, Sandra here from Createinspain. So I've put on my first two layers. The first one was just the plain teal card. The second one is embossed with some little bubbles, just to give it a little bit of added interest. Now here I've got two pieces of card which I actually used a metal die for. I've only got one set of metal dies and this is one of them. I didn't have a long enough metal die, so I just put the two of them together because this middle bit isn't going to be seen anyway. This bit I want to go roughly down there, so about an inch up from the bottom of the card. Let's see how we do here. It's ever so slightly wider than the card it's going over. Now this one is just a piece of white card and I've gone over the two vertical edges only with a teal alcohol marker. And the reason for that is because I have this piece which I've printed. I drew this freehand on my iPad and I've printed it out on something which is semi-transparent, which is embroidery backing as it happens. I love doing stuff with the embroidery backing. So I'm going to line this up in the center here and just fold the edges over to the back. And just going to get a little bit of tape. Just stick it down. There we go. Now because I've got this underneath, the best thing that I can do with this is to put foam underneath that end and up here. So that's what I'm going to do next. I don't know what they're playing out there, but they're obviously enjoying it. That's looking good. Right, I've got a sentiment which is cut out and stamped already. I think I'm going to put it so that it's half on here and half not. So on this side I need to put a little bit of foam just to raise it up ever so slightly. Make sure I get it on the right bit because you don't want to put it on the wrong bit. It's going to go on that side. There we are. And a little bit of double-sided tape on the other bit. I think I could do something that they've got. And that's going to go there. So we're nearly done. The other thing I've got, which I may or may not put on, I've got a little piece of acrylic which I'd cut out on my CNC, a little tag, and I was going to put that there. And I also did a little bow. Now in case you're wondering, I do not have string in every colour of the rainbow. I used an alcohol marker to colour white string. Buy it white and then colour it. Oh yes, I think that will do nicely. So I'm going to stick that on there. Ooh. That nearly dripped all over my card. That would not be good. Okay, that is going to be there. Don't press it down too hard if you've got glue on there because you don't want the glue going everywhere. Then I can put some glue on the back of the bow, just on the centerpiece, just a tiny little bit. And then that can go where the hole is, like that. Here's the finished card. All I've done is added a couple of gems. I decided in this particular case, less is more. Now, although there isn't a traditional file linked with this particular design, what I will do is give you the file for this drawing that I've done and then you can print it off and you can do whatever you like with it. I think they're chasing each other around the garden with a hose pipe or something. So yes, you can do what you like with it. You could probably even sublimate it onto a mug, I guess. But yeah, up to you. Hope you've enjoyed this one and I'll see you again soon. Take care then.